Well, that's it.
Will, I got the snacks. I got the snacks.
Oh, yeah,
Real
you
quick.
do got the snacks.
Yeah,
Just
what are we
two.
doing?
Hold on.
What are we doing? A snack taste test?
Uh-huh.
Okay, cool. Yeah, you can. Absolutely. No one's going
What'd
to
you
turn
bring,
down
Ryan?
snacks around here. Are you crazy? We'll take snacks. Willie Doo almost forgot. Must have forgot. Ryan's the snack
What's that?
man.
Which camera's on? Like which one?
It's the wide right now. The wide, this one.
It can just see everything. A little snack taste test to finish up the show.
You can just sit down.
You
I
have to
can
say
go
it
in
into
here.
the mic. You
Yeah.
gotta say it in the mic.
No one can hear you.
We can't hear you, man.
You got this, Ryan.
All right, well, I think you gotta cut. I think you gotta cut the music for this because if this
Wait.
is gonna be a clip here.
Yeah, don't go anywhere, everybody.
This is gonna be a clip here.
Okay, so
All right, what do we have
I
here
was
today?
I was
Ryan?
at this grocery store. I had to get some water and some stuff this morning, and I bought some other chips too. But I was walking down the aisle, and then I saw this and it caught my eye because the word magic was in there first of all. But these are called Magic Masala. I don't know what masala is. I'll check it out after. Maybe we'll check it out. But it's just from India.
Yeah, Indian.
And I'm assuming it's spicy. I like spicy stuff.
Oh wait, maybe not. What do we got here? Garam masala, from Persian and Arabic, is a blend of ground spices originated from India. Okay, yes, it is common in Indian, Pakistani, Nepalese, Bangladeshi, Sri Lankan, and Caribbean cuisines.
That's nice.
It is used alone or with other seasonings.
That's nice.
What?
Ooh,
how
it's
would
got a
you?
kick.
What? Go ahead and describe to us.
It gets spicier after.
What's going on here?
I get like a sweetness of almost like a butter chicken at first, and then it gets real spicy, like hot spice. It's good. I like spicy chips. Okay. And this one, I've never bought these in my entire life.
I think you have to give us a rating or something.
Oh, on the chips?
Yeah.
Well, the problem is I like a lot of chips. Like I just like chips in general.
Out of 1 to 10.
I'm gonna give these an 8.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good spice.
8's pretty good.
It's tasty. Yeah.
Some people might go for it. They might reach for it if they know you gave it an 8.
Give it a try. Yeah, if you like spicy food. Twinkies. Okay. These have been around for like so long, and you see them every time you're at the 7-Eleven,
Right,
or the
right,
convenience store. I never reach for them. Like I'm just not that guy. I don't eat a lot of sweets. Like I don't get chocolate bar. I'm more of a chip guy. You see?
Okay.
But Twinkies, like
I've never seen them at the store before.
and I bought them. Well, 2 reasons. One, I think they're hilarious.
And I live
to me.
here.
No, I mean they're definitely at the store. I see them all the time.
I
Will.
don't see
You're
them.
not looking for it.
But have you ever had one, Will?
I've had one.
Okay, you've had a Twinkie. You've obviously had a Twinkie.
I think so.
Okay.
You don't seem impressed, man.
Have I? I don't know. Like,
Do you like them?
You guys are making me question my entire life right now. I feel like those were at school. Like everybody had those, right?
Twinkies.
Yeah, at one point in time here.
Oh no.
There was one guy there was one guy I think that tried to live off Twinkies for an entire year or something and died.
Whoa.
What? Really?
Is that a story? Did I make that up?
You would die.
It was something like that.
There's nothing.
He
no
might not have
nutrition.
died. He might not have died. Somebody tried to live off Twinkies for a year exclusively.
Sure.
I believe I remember that story. So what? It's like a cake with
Let's try it out.
with some type of icing inside of it.
Mm-hmm. It's like Coca-Cola. These things have been around since I was a kid, and it's always the same. It's never changed. There's no.
Right.
I don't think there's any iterations. Just Twinkie.
It's a sweet cake with like an cream filling.
Yeah, nothing
very
special.
good.
It's not. It's very good.
So simple, but so delicious.
That was a fun one. And of course, our local favorites, Tim Hortons. They do it all. They do cereal now. Like, have you seen the Timbits birthday cake cereal?
Seen it? I haven't bought it.
It's not bad. Just try it out. I caught these ones. I was looking for granola bars. Tim Hortons, they got the caramel granola bars. I haven't tried one yet. I'm going to give one a taste. Let's try one out right now. Just to see.
Why would Tim Hortons have a granola bar?
I have no idea, but why wouldn't they sell them at their restaurant? And they should start selling the cereal too.
What are you going to do? Get a bowl of cereal at the coffee shop?
I guess. You got kids, you want to go have a coffee, maybe they have a bowl of cereal, you grab your double-double.
Don't mind that.
Yeah. I can't anticipate this is going to be really good, but let's just try a bite. Salted caramel. It's pretty good. Not good for you. Neither is that, but it was pretty good.
I'm pretty sure that wasn't your agenda with these 3 snacks.
No, I just literally, I wanted to bring something fun on the show in terms of food when I was walking through the aisles at the grocery
You know
store.
what? The thing I just realized about the Twinkie is like, I feel like a key part of it is the size of it.
Yeah.
It's not that big.
Just
It's
a
like
little snack.
It's like
Very light.
yeah, it's like a
little treat.
small enough little thing that it's not a huge commitment.
And they've never changed the size either, I don't think.
I don't
It's
know.
always been the same. It's so consistent. They'll change different flavors, or they'll do mega size them, like and no, this is just the Twinkie. Anyway, that's it. I'm not going to take any more of you
Okay,
guys'
so
time.
it's an 8 out of 10 on the
8 out of
chips.
10, and this is just fun. I would never even buy these again.
What out of 10? What is it?
I want to say it's like a 9. Like, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Look, you're not going and getting the fancy
9.
dessert. It's obviously something you're picking up at the Sev, but it's pretty good.
Here we got our last super chat of the day. Thanks to Jay. He says, Bronco fact, Willie, there's a Bronco Pope mobile, old and new. CNN Ultra now has a taste segment. So glad I canceled Netflix for the community. Shout out to the community. Yes, this is definitely a notch above Netflix. We like to call it CNN Ultra, as you know, which is the evolution, because we used to be CNN Plus. Thank you to Ryan for gracing us with his presence for the last few days. He'll be heading back to the other side of the country tomorrow. So everybody say bye-bye.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Will.
I don't know. Give him a thumbs up or something.
Yeah.
So
You don't have
he
to,
feels
but
warm and fuzzy
fun.
inside, and like he's been welcomed by the community.
I'll be in the chat next week, sitting at home.
We'll see him again someday.
That's right.
Who knows what he'll bring? Today it was Twinkies. Next time, it'll be a shockwave.
I bring the heat.
Or just, maybe a meltdown. Thanks everybody for joining. Thanks for all the super chats. Will and myself will see you tomorrow, probably with Mo.
Sure.
I'm guessing. All right, later, everybody.